Online shopping has become an integral part of modern life, with millions of people buying everything from groceries to gadgets with just a few clicks. However, as e-commerce grows, so does the risk of online fraud. Fraudulent websites, phishing attacks, and fake sellers can make online shopping a risky endeavor. Understanding the best practices for safe online purchasing can help protect you from scams, secure your personal information, and ensure that your transactions are reliable. In this video, we'll cover essential steps to help you make secure purchases online during festival season. 1. Choose reliable retailers. The first line of defense against online fraud is choosing a reputable website or retailer. Here's how to ensure the online store you're using is reliable. Stick with well-known brands. Famous brands like Amazon, Walmart, and other well-known retailers have robust security measures and customer service policies that protect shoppers from fraud. They also offer strong return policies, making it easier to resolve issues if something goes wrong. Avoid deals that seem too good to be true. Fraudulent sites often lure shoppers in with deals that are unrealistically cheap. If a deal looks suspiciously attractive, it's best to avoid it. Scam sites often use extreme discounts to attract users, only to disappear once they've collected payments. 2. Use secure payment methods. Choosing the right payment method can significantly reduce your risk of fraud. Use credit cards over debit cards. Credit cards provide stronger consumer protections than debit cards, including the ability to dispute fraudulent charges. Many credit card companies also offer zero liability policies, meaning you won't be responsible if someone makes unauthorized charges on your account. Consider digital wallets and secure payment gateways. Services like PayPal, Apple Pay, and Google Pay add an extra layer of security. These services allow you to make payments without sharing your credit card information directly with the merchant, reducing the risk of theft. 3. Use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication. Create unique, strong passwords. Use unique passwords for each of your online accounts. Ideally, your passwords should be a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using easy-to-guess information like birthdays or names. Enable 2FA where possible. Two-factor authentication provides an added layer of security by requiring you to verify your identity using a secondary method, such as a code sent to your phone. Even if a hacker obtains your password, 2FA makes it much harder for them to access your account. Consider using a password manager. Password managers like LastPass, 1Password, and Bitwarden can securely store and manage your passwords, and making it easier to avoid reusing passwords. 4. Look for secure websites. Before entering any personal or payment information, ensure the website is secure. Secure websites will have HTTPS at the beginning of the URL instead of just HTTP. The S stands for secure and indicates that the website uses encryption to protect your data. Most browsers also display a padlock icon next to the URL to signify a secure connection. 5. Protect your personal information. Limit the information you share. Only provide the information required for your transaction. Be cautious about websites that ask for more than the standard details, such as your social security number or mother's maiden name.
Reputable online stores will never ask for such sensitive information. 6. Beware of phishing scams. Phishing scams trick users into revealing sensitive information by pretending to be reputable companies. Recognize fake emails and messages. Fraudulent emails often look like they come from reputable retailers, banks, or payment processors. They might claim that there's a problem with your account or that you need to verify your payment information. Avoid clicking on any links or opening attachments in unsolicited emails. 7. Check return and refund policies. Reputable online stores usually have transparent return policies that explain the conditions under which you can return a product. Be wary of websites with vague or restrictive return policies, as these can indicate a lack of customer focus or even potential fraud. 8. Avoid public Wi-Fi for financial transactions. Public Wi-Fi networks are usually not secure, making it easier for hackers to intercept your information. Avoid making purchases or entering sensitive information while connected to public Wi-Fi. Use a VPN if necessary. If you must make a purchase on a public network, consider using a virtual private network for added security. A VPN encrypts your data, making it much harder for hackers to intercept your information. 9. Monitor your bank and credit card statements. Check statements regularly. Regularly review your bank and credit card statements to spot any suspicious transactions. Many banks and credit card companies offer alerts that notify you of any transactions on your account. 10. Report fraudulent websites and transactions. If you notice unauthorized charges on your account, contact your bank or credit card company to dispute the transaction. Many financial institutions provide fraud protection for such cases. You can report fake websites to authorities or organizations that monitor online fraud, such as the Federal Trade Commission or the Internet Crime Complaint Center. Reporting these sites helps prevent others from falling victim to the same scam. The convenience of online shopping comes with risks, but you can take several measures to protect yourself. By choosing reputable retailers, using secure payment methods, and being mindful of phishing scams, you can make safer online purchases. Always remember to check website security, enable 2FA, and monitor your financial statements to spot suspicious activity early. Taking these precautions will give you peace of mind and allow you to enjoy the benefits of online shopping while minimizing your risk of fraud. With vigilance and the right tools, you can shop online with confidence